Life without adventure is not a life at all. Hi, this is Maviv, the Mavinica Life and Travel Blog. How are you today, friends, followers, and subscribers? It's been a while since I had my last upload in YouTube, and now we're going to talk about a very exciting topic. It's all about opportunities here in New Zealand, opportunities for employment. So just recently, there were a group of Filipino OFWs, mga Pinoy, who were hired here in New Zealand to drive buses here in Auckland as well as in Wellington. I was wondering before because I used to be taking the bus going to my work, and I actually observed most of the time that most of them are Filipinos. And I was like thinking, are they the ones who actually have like other jobs here before, like skilled worker, and now they move into another job? But then I realized when I asked one of those drivers, which actually one of my friends and customer, the shops that I've been managing here in Auckland, I found out that they were actually hired by New Zealand to work as bus drivers because nowadays buses are not really as accurate in terms of their schedules. It's because there's a shortage in terms of drivers, and so what they did to fill the gap, they have to employ overseas workers. And very balita that they actually had it in the Philippines. So Filipino drivers po. And then yung mga drivers po na yon, most of them had experience in driving a bus, like 6 years or more than 6 years. And they are really experienced. All they need to do is to practice, like because we're driving at the other side of the road, right? The left side of the road. And then the steering wheel is at the right. Unlike in the Philippines, we're driving at the right side of the road and the steering wheel is at the left. Yeah, so yeah, and I'm happy to say that it gives actually opportunities for Filipinos who are struggling like their daily needs, right? So mahirap ang buhay, and then with that opportunity, marami pong Pilipino ang makaka-avail. So imagine 300 and counting. There's also in Wellington. So I read from a news actually from one of the provider here, the RNZ, that it was actually they're filling up 300 new bus drivers aim at filling Auckland driver shortage. Ayan. So, kasi mga ilang times na po na-encounter ko po kapag nagbabas po ako, karamihan po or kalimitan, hindi po nasusunod yung schedule. The reason for that, we don't have enough drivers. Ayan po. So, unlike before, so what the government did was actually to hire overseas workers like Filipino drivers, which is really good. Ayan. So, congratulations to the Filipino drivers who actually passed the recruitment process and now they're here in Auckland. And then, they're actually doing their job well. Ayan. So, nakakatawang isipin. So, actually, it's not easy driving a bus, I suppose, especially if you are used to be driving at the right hand of the road, and then you have to learn the other way around. Ayan po, diba? And then, of course, paano ba yung tamang pagdadrive dito? So, merong sinusunod. Ayan. So, makakatulong talaga to sa mga families ng Filipinos nasa Pilipinas. So, nakakatawang isipin na kahit ganito nang nangyayari, di ba, na nahihirapan ng mga tao because of inflation, kahit saan naman, di ba, still we are actually getting opportunities, like opportunities here in New Zealand. Ayan, so congratulations to the Filipino bus drivers. Ayan, so paano ba yung iba para maka-avail? So I think you just have to go to the right website for you to know kung paano yung process for me, ang maganda lang talaga, just do your research, and then, yeah, so makikita nyo naman na kung saan po yung may mga opening na ganyan. So, hindi lang po drivers ang nangangailangan, di ba? Marami pa pong skilled work, mas madami po. Ayan. And so, maraming opportunities dito sa Auckland, sa Christchurch, wherever in New Zealand. Basta, kung masigasig tayo at, yan, galingan lang po natin yung mga process, di ba? Yung interviews, ganyan, yung pagsasabit ng mga papers para you have also the opportunity to work here in New Zealand, and maganda po doon, madadala nyo po yung family nyo here. Ayan, so, and you, parang, di ba, new start kapag nandito na kayo with your family. Ayan. So, congratulations to the 300 Filipino drivers from the Philippines. Ayan. And I guess marami pa pong susunod na mga iba pang i-hire. So, ayan. So, reminders lang po ulit, katulad po ng ginagawa natin parate. Always po, be careful when you're driving. Syempre, diba, tatandaan po natin, kakaiba po dito. So, syempre, kapag nakasanayan po natin, kailangan lang po natin maging aware and be vigilant sa ating mga ginagawa. Ganyan. And be, para maging naman po, kapag, syempre, pag nag-drive din po tayo, diba, maganda kung ipapakita natin yung, tayo, nag-greet tayo, ginagalang natin yung mga passengers natin. When they get into the bus, i-greet natin sila, pati pagbaba nila, diba? So, ayan. So, kakaiba sa Pilipinas, na kapag sakay sa bus, diretso na tayo tatakbo. Dito po, we'll wait until they are seated para hindi po nagkakaroon po ng problema. Ayan, especially for the elderly, yung may mga kapansanan, yung mga buntis, ganyan, yung mga batang, ganyan, may mga dala silang babies. Ayan. So, ingat lang po tayo. Basta nakakatuwang isipin na, ayan, nakapag-start na tayo ng bagong buhay dito sa New Zealand. Kaya lang, wag tayong, parang isipin natin, ibang country to, so iwan po natin yung mga attitude natin dati, di ba? Pakita natin na we deserve to be working here in New Zealand. Ayan. Yung culture po natin na workaholic, okay lang po yan. Basta we follow kung ano po yung nasa contract natin. Ganyan. At saka, wag po tayong masyadong, dito po, bawal lang ma-stress. Ayan. So, trabahuin po natin ng tama kung ano po yung job description natin. At ipakita po natin na hindi po tayo nag-absent, ganyan. At reliable tayo, responsible person tayo. Para naman po, masyahan po yung mga employers natin. So, sa mga iba pang gustong magpunta ng New Zealand, take the opportunity po. Sayang po, diba? So, nakakatawang isipin na, ayan, dumadami na tayo dito at masaya naman kasi opportunity yan eh. Minsan lang magnanak ang opportunity sa mga doors natin. So, why not, diba, grab it. Ayan. So, marami pa pong, I'm pretty sure marami pang available jobs na i-open. So, karamihan po nito ay mga skilled worker. Ayan. So, mataas po ang regards nila sa mga Pinoy kasi alam na masisipag at magagaling naman po tayo. Ayan. So, pangatawanan po natin yan. And then, syempre, pag off po natin, don't forget, mag-unwind naman tayo. Especially kung wala yung family natin, always na make a call, diba? Ayan. So, kumustahin natin sila at kapag nandito na sila, at least, diba, mas masaya. Ayan. So, sigurado tayo na may magandang future yung mga anak ninyo, ganyan, and then yung family mo. Ayan. So, again, congratulations to everyone. Ayan. Maraming salamat po ulit sa panood nyo ng aking vlog. And I hope na mag-share po ninyo ito, mag-like, and mag-subscribe na rin yung hindi pa nag-subscribe for more new videos and uploads na gagawin ko po. So maraming salamat po. And mabuhay tayong mga Filipino drivers here in New Zealand. Kayo na mga drivers dito sa New Zealand, Pinoy, OFW, ayan, be proud. because we are Filipinos. God bless!